Already getting sensory overload. There's a lot of places. Wow. Oh, and the Golden Arches, McDonald's. So right away, I'm feeling a temperature change. It is...
Turn left.
Whoop, Google's telling me to turn left, but it is warm here. Is it not?
Mm-hmm. Just like Philippines. Oh, I'm seeing something there now.
We're actually right above the Philippines. So
But it has 4 weather here. Or
Yeah.
4 seasons.
4 seasons here. But I think we're coming upon our first temple. Wow, what is this? Wow. I don't know if you can tell in the distance there, but that is our destination. We're kind of in a university area. Look at that temple over there, or palace. Wow. Before we go over to the temple, there is a 7-Eleven right across the street, so we're gonna pick up some water. Wow, that thing is huge. Huh. And I don't know if you can see, but they're on the roof of another temple over there. Holy smokes. This place, Liberty Peace Park, is so big. Can you see the girls out here? For scale? This has got to be the biggest square I have ever seen in my life. The scale of this place is just incredible. The entrance gates. I mean, you can probably see the people on how big this really is. Our first day in Taiwan, in Taipei, is not disappointing. I think that I am dead center in the square. We'll just do a 360 here. It's probably 80 degrees out right now. Mary Lou's up there with the black umbrella. Quite the experience. Very, very happy we are here. So I just talked to this guard over here, or security guard, and the soldiers that you see back there, they stand there for 1 hour. They rotate them out every top of the hour, so solid as a rock, very disciplined. I asked them if they ever lock their knees. You know, in boot camp, they told you never to lock your knees or else you'll pass out, so anyway, very disciplined, very dedicated, very beautiful. This is just crazy. I've never seen anything like this.
那跳过来了，就是咁咯，我们就跳下去。喂啊，大朋友，小朋友。 Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you. I think we've come to our next temple. Longshan Temple, built in 1738.
Good evening.
Hey guys, so we walked a lot today. We did about 14,000 steps, and we
Start counting.
went to the Peace Square, which was humongous,
Yeah.
biggest place I've ever been. And then we also went to a temple. What's the name of the temple?
Longshan.
Long-
Longshan.
Longshan Temple.
Yeah.
But we walked and walked and walked, and we ended up having dinner at McDonald's because we're still not familiar with where we're at, and we keep looking around, but I don't know. We'll get brave, and we'll have some Taiwanese food, but for now, thanks for coming along, and thanks for coming along with our first day in Taiwan. Anyway, thanks guys. We'll see you in the next one.
Thank you. Bye for now.
Bye-bye. That's the Taipei main station. And then this is our hotel here. Up there. So it's a perfect location. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye for now.